Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have administrator rights and a registry backup. Once done, create a system restore point so you can recover if something breaks. Now open the registry editor, press Windows plus R, type regedit and hit enter, accept the UAC prompt. You need to navigate immediately to the Windows Update key, moving slowly avoids errors. Make sure to note the path you're editing, because precise keys and values change system behavior directly. You now modify the Windows Update entries. First, go to HKey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows Update and create an O subkey if it's missing. Once inside, add or edit no auto update as a word and set it to 0. This allows updates. Next, add O options as a word and set the value to 4 to enable automatic download and scheduled installs. Make sure to double-check. You finish by applying the changes. Restart the Windows Update service or reboot the machine so policies take effect. Once restarted, open Settings Update and Security to verify that automatic updates are enabled and scheduled per O options. If updates still don't run, check for conflicting group policy settings or antivirus policies. If something went wrong, restore the registry export or roll back to the system restore point you created. This undoes changes safely and lets you retry with corrected values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.